A common formatting task while working in Google Sheets is to change the font size of certain elements in a spreadsheet. Let's increase the font size of the column header in this table so it is easier to read. To change the font size, select the cells to format. Next, click Format on the menu. Now hover the mouse over font size. Finally, select the font size. I will select 14. The font size has been changed. Now let's look at another way to change the font size. Click in the font size box on the toolbar. A list of font sizes are displayed. This time I will select 18. Okay, I've realized this font size is too big. I can also use the plus and minus buttons next to the font size box to change the size. I will click the minus button a few times to decrease the font size to 12. Okay, I think this looks better. In this lesson, you learned a few ways to change the font size in Google Sheets.